is so gigantic. Wow. This is a mic. So cute. Rainbow cake.
Hi there, if you're new here, welcome. If not, I'm glad you're back. Well, you can just sit in the couch while others live their best lives, or you make a better one by doing any one of the 146 other things. No, I'm just glad you all are joining me, and of course, visitor, just we stumble what life has to offer aside from coffee. Oh, anyway, with this disclaimer of being one of the most mundane person in the world, I'm just Megan.
Hello guys. So for today, I'm taking my mom on a date and this is just the fit for today pero lalagyan ko to ng polo on top kasi parang inappropriate. Inappropriate. Oh my god. So that is just the plan for today. Probably sa mall lang and then coffee shop, dinner, coffee, like a basic date. Yes, I'm just flaunting my kilikili. Yabang. Yeah, so be confident with yourself. Always take care of yourself and always take care of your kilikili. Bakit napunta sa kilikili yung topic? Oh my God. I'm so random, pero wala. Let's go. That is the itinerary for today. Eat good food, and I'm going with my mom on a date. So, how good is that? And this is just the fit for today. This is just a denim corset and then black cargo pants from GU. And then I probably wear like a denim polo kasi parang okay naman. Yeah. Cheers. Nagsenta ka ka rin siya. Me. Hey guys, so currently we're gonna eat. Here's my mom. Say hi. Hi. And today is her birthday. What is your birthday wish? Sabi ko, what is your birthday wish? Wala, yun po yung wish niya. Maging happy. How old are you na?
I'm 15.
Yung seryoso, how old are you?
50.
She's already 50 years old. Okay, bye. Bye. Go there. Ano? This is a mic. And we're currently waiting for our order. And wala lang. Senorita. 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 Sin. Makasalanan po. Sin.
What?
my god. I'm actually so bored now. Oh my god. She's gonna have like blue red margarita because she loves to drink. Yeah, she loves to drink, right? You love to drink, right? She can handle um I don't know. She's not an alcoholic though, pero mataas yung tolerance niya sa alcohol. Are you an alcoholic?
Not really.
Not really. Oh, the frozen blue margarita is so gigantic. Super laki pala. Oh my god. Taste test. Okay, okay. Stop. How does it taste?
Very refreshing and so good.
Perfect. One more. Who's prettier, you or me?
Of course, me.
Oh my god, why?
You won't look pretty if I'm not pretty.
Okay, I agree. She's prettier. That is a letter, a handwritten letter. There's no money inside. My god. What?
I thought it's ampaw.
No, it's just letter. Read it later. Later.
It's so long.
So long. Essay.
Thank you so much, anak.
Love you.
Love you more.
Okay, so we ordered a rainbow cake here. This is it. It's so cute. And then we also got blueberry cheesecake, which is my favorite. Oh my god, I can't open it. This is for lunch, but my mom is already having margarita. But it's fine.
Face here.
Hey guys, so we're back here sa condo and we will just do a little bit of unboxing. So these are the few things that we got in Minnesota. Well, just sleepers. It says here, push your limits. I don't know, pambahay lang na sleepers. And then, I also got this Barbie hairbrush. Actually, ito lang yung pinunta ko dun. Kasi it's so cute. Bedazzled Barbie hairbrush. Which is so cute. We got just a few things from Watson's. Just the necessities. Wow, necessities. I'm actually really obsessed with strawberries, as you can tell. So anything that has strawberries. I actually saw there that there's a cream body wash. There's strawberry scented cream body wash and it smells really good. Then for hair care, sayang walang strawberry na like hair spa or hair treat. Ito aloe vera lang. Then we also got this dewy glow. I don't know, just the essential. Then we got the Revox retinol. As you know, retinol is very essential. I don't know, it really prevents wrinkles. Parang ano, pang fountain of youth talaga siya. So if you're not using retinol yet, baby girl, you need to use one already. Because this is my retinol and as you can see, ubos na siya. This is my favorite, the ordinary retinol. Yeah, ubos na siya. And it also comes with a day Time Serum, which has vitamin C. Then we stumbled upon this super cute sling bag. We're actually not supposed to buy anything. Pero wala, cute lang. It's so cute.